Thank you so much for clicking on this video, and I am Chef André Davy, and right here I have a lovely ripe plantain in which I'm going to use to make an amazing plantain punch. A lot of people are skeptical about using plantain in punch, but no need to worry. After the intro, I'll be showing you guys in details how to make this amazing one. Welcome back, guys. First thing you want to do, you want to go ahead and peel your plantain, okay? And I will be using this amount, okay? Okay, amazing. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and cut it in smaller pieces. Nice. Right, here's my blender. I'm just going to go ahead and throw it directly in my blender. Alright, guys. Then to that, you want to go ahead and add some oats. Okay, fantastic. Right here, I have some cashew nuts. Hope you guys following me now, okay? Some cinnamon powder. Some nutmeg powder. Vanilla extract. And right here, I have some flaxseed, some ground flaxseed, okay? It's gonna add a nice little body to it. So what you wanna do now, you wanna go ahead and add some water, okay? But if you're lactose, what you can do, you can go ahead and use your favorite milk, okay? For example, you could use almond milk with honey, but today I'll be using condensed milk. Okay. Some condensed milk. Okay, amazing. And that's it. All the ingredients that we're going to need, guys. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and cover and put to a blend, okay? Let me give this a nice little shake so that it's a little bit free in the blender. Nice. Let me go ahead and blend this. Okay, fantastic. So what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and put some ice in a glass. Nice. And I'm gonna pour my plantain punch over these lovely ice, okay? Here we go. Wow, this is so creamy. Let me go in for a taste. Wow, this is what I'm talking about, guys. Please don't confuse plantain with banana. Don't confuse ripe plantain with ripe banana. Guys, they are totally different. Different flavor, different texture. Guys, the plantain give this punch a phenomenal taste. The oats for body, so it's actually like a meal replacement, high in fiber. Okay, guys? If you have the chance, guys, please go ahead and try this easy recipe. Oh my gosh. Ooh la la. This is what I'm talking about. Guys, I will catch you in another video pretty soon. So guess what? Please stay tuned, stay healthy, stay safe. Goodbye.